This is a demonstration of the RG-M2 8024, which is now under power. We will demonstrate that, yes, it is fully functional and is in actually very good shape. So, at this time, can you go ahead and just run it through its paces? Hydraulically, everything is working fine. Electronically, everything is running fine. Everything on the controls are working fine. No errors. Everything is set up. This is actually set to run 480. Back gauge, so you can see back gauge is moving. So at this point, if you can please send me any questions you may have, I will respond with any kind of information you would need. Okay, so there you go. I hope this will let you know that this is under power. It is fully functional, programmable, and actually a very good deal. So